Hey y'all, so today I figured I would do a day in the life / spend the day with me. Today's already not starting out as a good day. We woke up thinking we were going to go to Jared's appointment, but I accidentally scheduled his appointment and Parker's appointment for the same day at nearly the exact same time. So we had to reschedule. But yeah, bring you along with us. We got some groceries to get. We're going to try to look for some more Christmas presents for everybody. So yeah, let's go. We're waiting on the dentist. See, we gotta check up on my teethies. Gotta check up on my teethies. Thankfully, they're not doing any brushing or anything today. Just checking out. He had gingivitis last time he came, so I think he remembers too, because he looks a little bit like, where the heck am I? What am I doing? I think that was the quickest appointment ever. We were in there maybe a total of 5 minutes.
Yeah, it was fast.
But he's all better.
It was fast.
But he's all better.
Yeah. No more gum slow.
So now we are gonna go get this one.
Money! Money! What?
We're gonna get your check and then get it cashed and get the money.
Money!
And then we're gonna go get some food.
Because we're hungry.
Where do we always go on Thursdays? Waffle House. Waffle House! Are you excited, Bubba? Apparently not. Someone needs to get my husband.
Yeet yeet! Still getting on your nerves yet?
Is it bedtime yet?
No. I mean, it's only a vlog. What? Say ba-ba, ba-ba-ba.
Someone's mad at me because I wouldn't let him sit at the end of the bed. We just slept really late, didn't we, Parker? We still haven't even got groceries and it's 4 o'clock. So I guess that's where we're headed now. And I guess to get food too. So we'll take you along for the ride as we've done all day. I really don't want to do any of this. I'm really tired. Are you really tired? Are you still tired? Are you still sleepy? Alright. You ready to go? You ready to go, Baba? Yeah? Say Baba. 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 Do you love Daddy? Oh, he's seen something else.
Go spray Mama. Go spray Mama.
Where's Daddy going? Where's Daddy going? You better go get him. No? Go stay here with Mama? Yeah. Park back.
Parker. Parker. We already watched all the Toy Stories, didn't we? No, we haven't watched 3 yet.
Give me that note. Give me that note. Okay, so this is what we've got. I'm gonna try to get through this quickly because my phone wants to die, but we got some honey roasted peanuts, 1 red bell pepper for chili, the blue plate olive oil mayonnaise, some potato salad, 2 pounds of ground beef, 2 bags of riced cauliflower. We got some strawberry banana blend. Gonna use that to make some nice cream. I'm excited about that. Some chicken apple smoked sausage. Jared really wanted to try this out. I'm not sure why. 5 pounds of boneless chicken breast. Sunflower kernels. This is already cooked shrimp because I have no idea how to cook shrimp. That is already deveined. Thanks the Lord. Sweet potatoes. Green onions. Some avocado. Some already chopped up cilantro. Then we got some staples. Paprika. Ground cumin. And minced garlic. Then instead of just getting a bunch of different fruit, we got this seasonal fruit tray because I'm going to use the red grapes and green apples for some chicken salad that I'm going to meal prep for this week. And then mango, cantaloupe, and pineapple are mine and Jared's favorites. So we're looking forward to being eating that. Then we decided to try this creamy vanilla almond butter. So I'm excited to give that a try. Then we just got some apple cider vinegar, lemon, and lime juice. Diced tomatoes for the chili. 2 cans of whole kernel corn. That's going to be for our Thanksgiving at our church. Then we also got 1 of cream style corn. Because I'm going to be making like this corn pudding thing. I don't even know how to explain it. Corn muffin mix to go in with the corn. Sour cream. Tomato paste. Then Flora bars. Jared wanted apple pie. I wanted to give the chocolate hazelnut swirl a try. And then we got 1 for Parker. For the kids, it's just chocolate chip. And then we also got some canned black cherry for Jared. And then for me, it's the lightly caffeinated watermelon. It's sparkling water. We love sparkling water. Some Christmas tree cakes for a little snack. Chicken broth. And then tons and tons of this sparkling water right here. We got apple, strawberry, peach, orange, and cream. Yeah, I think that's it on those. And then we got Parker a new cup and some face wash. So I think we did pretty good. This is going to help me meal prep for the week, and I'm actually going to video that, me meal prepping, so be on the lookout for that. Are you proud of yourself?
I am very proud of myself.
Tell them what you did before I show them.
I hung the mirror, and its center, and mostly low.
That tells them nothing. Yeah, it's mostly centered up and level.
It doesn't look bad. That's the key.
I need to clean it. But we're trying to get rid of all of the rooster stuff here. As much as we love it. I love it. Because we want a different vibe in the kitchen. So that's our first step. And it looks really good. I'm excited to see how else we're going to start decorating. So, but now I've got to charge up my phone and then get in here. Ay, 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 ay. Not to mention the mess that is my living room right now. I really don't even want to think about it. But this one is very proud of himself because he did this with no help. Look at that face.
I am very proud of this.
I love it, baby. Thank you.
You're welcome, baby.
So after Jared put Parker to bed, it was time for me to get cleaning. So I started in the kitchen, and Jared actually cleaned the living room, so I did not film any of that. But I'm so thankful that he did, because at the time that I was filming, I was so tired. I just did not even want to touch the living room. So I just focused my time on the kitchen, which thankfully, because we were gone all day, there was not a lot to do. All I had to do was those couple of dishes from the night before and some of the cups we'd found in the living room, and do my usual nighttime cleaning routine in there. So I'm actually going to go ahead and end the voiceover here. Please give my video a like if you did like it. Subscribe, comment down below what you thought and what videos you would like to see, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.